Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to get lost ruby step by step. Start by planning a safe area and setting simple goals for your lost ruby search, then gather essentials like water, light, a compass, and a charged phone with offline maps. Mark expected routes and note nearby landmarks to reduce panic. Stay calm and methodical as we move into search techniques that make finding a lost ruby easier and safer. Begin your search using a simple grid sweep and walk in parallel lines spaced by arm length to cover ground thoroughly. Change angles and use low sun or flashlight beams to catch any glint from the ruby, moving slowly and scanning close to the ground. Pause regularly to reassess landmarks and your starting point, and use a whistle or call out to stay calm and coordinate with any helpers in the area. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, pick up some leak-proof containers to keep gear, snacks, and tiny finds like a recovered ruby safe and tidy during searches. They are great for organizing pockets, preventing spills, and keeping small treasures secure. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Carry simple tools that help without harming the stone: a soft brush, tweezers, a flashlight, and a small mesh sifter for loose soil. Avoid magnets on gems and use gloves to protect delicate settings and your hands while searching. Try low-angle light and gentle brushing of suspected spots, and if needed, mark successful search strips so you do not recheck the same ground repeatedly during the hunt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.